Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Slow Beauty, Skincare and Self-Care for Women 40 Plus. I'm your host, Carrie. Thank you for joining me today as we continue with our series, A Season of Softness. In this episode, we're going to explore the intriguing world of our sense of smell and its incredible power. We'll uncover how our favorite scents can not only uplift our mood, but also enhance our overall well-being. So get comfortable and let's embark on this aromatic journey together. All right, let's start by discussing the incredible connection between scent, memory, and emotion. Have you ever noticed how a particular fragrance can instantly transport you to a different time and place? Maybe the smell of fresh cookies takes you back to your grandmother's kitchen, or a whiff of a specific perfume reminds you of a special loved one. This happens because our sense of smell is directly linked to the parts of our brain that process emotions and memories. It's truly fascinating how just one sniff can evoke such powerful feelings. Next, let's talk about how gentle scents can calm our nervous system. Aromatherapy has long been used to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Scents like lavender, chamomile, or sandalwood have soothing properties that can help ease anxiety and create a sense of peace. The simple act of inhaling these gentle fragrances allows our bodies to unwind and our minds to slow down, providing a much-needed respite in our often hectic lives. It's important to emphasize the power of subtlety when it comes to using scents. You don't need to douse yourself in a strong perfume to reap the benefits. In fact, sometimes less truly is more. Even just a drop of essential oil on your wrist or a lightly scented candle can be enough to transform your mood. The goal is to enhance your environment and well-being with a delicate touch, rather than overwhelming your senses. So remember, when it comes to incorporating scent into your self-care routine, a subtle approach can be surprisingly effective. Just a hint of your favorite fragrance can make a big difference, bringing comfort and joy into your daily life. Now let's dive into the scents that are perfect for this season. These comforting and familiar fragrances can create a cozy atmosphere in your home, and I've got a wonderful selection to share with you. First on the list is frankincense or myrrh. These earthy, resinous scents have been cherished for centuries, often used in rituals and meditation for their grounding effects. They can help create a serene and reflective environment, making them ideal for quiet evenings or moments of mindfulness. For something a bit brighter, consider sweet orange. This citrusy scent is known for its uplifting properties and can add a cheerful note to your space. It's perfect for those days when you need a little extra boost or want to infuse your home with a sense of joy and positivity. Then we have fir or pine. These woodsy fragrances evoke the refreshing smell of a forest. They can bring a bit of the outdoors inside, creating a fresh and invigorating ambiance. Fir or pine is great for holiday decorating or any time you wish to feel more connected to nature. And of course, we can't forget about rose or lavender. Both of these floral scents are beloved for their calming and soothing qualities. Rose adds a touch of romance and elegance, while lavender is well known for helping to reduce stress and promote better sleep. Each of these scents has its own unique benefits, so I encourage you to choose one that supports your emotional needs. Whether you need a calming influence, a boost of happiness, or a reminder of the natural world, there's a scent that can help. Experiment with different fragrances and see which ones resonate with you the most. Let's take a moment now to engage in a simple but powerful scent ritual. You'll need a cotton round, tissue, or warm washcloth, and your favorite essential oil. Ready? Great. First, place just a drop or two of the oil onto your chosen item. Now, hold it gently close to your nose. Take a slow, deep breath in, allowing the scent to fill your senses. Hold your breath for just a second and then slowly exhale. Let's do this together a few times. As you breathe in, feel the air filling your lungs and notice the fragrance enveloping you. And as you breathe out, release any tension or stress you may be holding on to. This moment is about just being present and focusing on the simplicity of the act. Now let's continue with another breath. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale slowly. Pay attention to how your body feels. Notice any physical sensations, perhaps a release of tension in your shoulders or a general sense of calm spreading through you. Also, take note of your emotional response. Do you feel more relaxed? More centered? These small moments of attention can be a gentle reminder to bring a little more presence into your daily life. When you take the time to engage all your senses, you create space for mindfulness and calm. So whenever you feel overwhelmed, try to return to this simple ritual and give yourself the gift of a few deep breaths surrounded by a comforting fragrance. Let's transition to a moment of blessing and stillness. Wherever you are, take a moment to close your eyes. With your eyes closed, envision a soft, warm light enveloping you, offering a gentle blessing of peace, grounding, and stillness. Feel this calmness settling over you, easing any tension or worry. Let this blessing be a reminder that you can carry this peace with you throughout your day. Now take a final deep breath together. Inhale deeply, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale, releasing any remaining stress. Carry this sense of calm with you, letting it guide you through the rest of your day with a peaceful heart. As we conclude today's episode, remember that this simple yet powerful ritual can be repeated whenever you need a moment of calm or a reset. Don't forget to check out the free download and newsletter sign-up link in the show notes for more tips and inspiration on incorporating scents and other self-care practices into your routine. Next time, we'll be focusing on hand care, another essential part of our self-care journey. Until then, be gentle and kind to yourself. This is Carrie Scharf, signing off from Slow Beauty, skincare and self-care for women 40+. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you in the next episode.